Wake up, the world you were prepared for no longer exists. For decades, we were told the same lie. Go to college, get a degree, find a safe job, and work for 40 years. But in 2026, that safe job is being done by a piece of code that doesn't sleep, doesn't complain, and doesn't make mistakes. The great replacement is here. But while millions are living in fear, a small group of people are getting richer than ever before. The game isn't over, the rules have just changed. You don't need a 4-year degree to make 6 figures anymore. You need the right AI skills. Today, I'm showing you 5 high-paying AI careers that are replacing the old world. These are roles that companies are desperate to fill right now, and they don't care about your diploma. They only care if you can master the machine. If you want to be the one who controls the AI rather than the one replaced by it, pay very close attention. Career number 1 is the prompt architect. In the past, we had coders and engineers. In 2026, we have people who know how to talk to the most powerful AI models in the world. Being a prompt architect isn't just about typing a question into ChatGPT. It's about building complex logic, creating custom GPTs for multi-million-dollar companies, and optimizing AI workflows. Think about it. A law firm in New York is spending $100,000 a month on junior lawyers to read documents. You, as a prompt architect, can build an AI system that does that same work in 5 seconds. How much is that worth to them? Easily $10,000 or $20,000 as a consultant fee. You aren't selling hours, you're selling massive efficiency. And the best part? You can learn this in weeks, not years. Number 2, the AI content director. Content is the currency of the 2020s, but the old way of making content, hiring a crew, renting a studio, spending weeks on editing, is dead. Companies don't want a social media manager anymore. They want someone who can use VO, Runway, and Midjourney to create a year's worth of content in a weekend. As an AI content director, you manage the AI staff. You provide the vision, and the tools provide the labor. You can run 10 brands at once from your bedroom. This is the most creative and most profitable job in the new economy. Career number 3 is the AI operations manager. Every small and medium business in the US is currently terrified. They know they need AI, but they have no idea how to implement it. They are messy, they are slow, and they are losing money. You step in as their AI ops manager, you set up their automated customer service, you automate their lead generation, and you link their systems together so the business runs on autopilot. You charge a monthly management fee to keep their AI running smoothly. You're not an employee, you're the engine that keeps their business alive. It's like being a doctor for a company's digital heart. Finally, the safety net, the AI ethics and security auditor. As AI becomes more powerful, the risks get bigger. Companies are terrified of their AI saying something wrong, leaking data, or being hacked. As an auditor, you ensure the AI systems are safe, unbiased, and legal. It's like being a digital lawyer and a cybersecurity expert rolled into one. With new US regulations coming every day, this career is virtually recession-proof. You are the one who makes sure the machines stay under human control. The great replacement is happening. You can either be the one who is replaced, or you can be the one who manages the replacement. The choice is yours, but you have to make it today. Don't wait for your company to send that layoff email. Start learning these skills now. I've put a list of free resources for each of these 5 careers in the description below. If you're ready to secure your future in the AI age, subscribe to DollarProof Daily. The old world is ending, but the new one belongs to you. Let's build it. I'll see you in the next one.